Barry and Karen had a big decision to make. They had a large condo in Midtown Toronto. They also had a vacation property outside of the city where they spent a lot of their time, and they had a place in Florida where they stayed 4 months of the year. They realized that they only spent about 5% of their time at their condo in the city. They figured they would be better off selling it since they were barely using the condo and still paying for utilities, property tax, and upkeep. They also had no desire to be landlords and rent it, so cashing out and selling was the only option. They hired me, and I helped them with these next important steps. First, because they weren't living in Toronto, they needed help packing everything up. So I connected them with some great professionals who helped them do this. Then it was just a matter of determining what needed to be stored and what needed to be donated, and I gave them excellent resources for both of those tasks. Since they divided some of the furniture between their 2 children, we arranged for my amazing movers to help make multiple drops at each of their children's homes in 2 different towns outside of Toronto. Of course, part of my marketing package includes staging their lovely home, and I arranged to keep things looking fresh and ready for showings while they were away. Everyone's needs are different, but with my trusted vendors and step-by-step process, we make sure you have a seamless process just like this downsizing family did, whether you can be here in the city or not.